In today's video, I will walk you through how to add multiple selection dropdowns in Google Sheets. First, select the cells where you want the dropdowns by clicking and dragging over the range. Make sure you only highlight the cells you need. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Dropdown. This will apply dropdowns to the selected cells, and you will see a small arrow in each cell. On the right side, the dropdown settings panel will open. Here, add the options you want in your dropdown list. Enter each option one by one so they appear in the menu. Then find the option for allowing multiple selections and turn it on. This lets you choose more than one item in the same cell instead of just one. Now click any dropdown cell and select your options from the list. Each selection will appear inside the same cell. If you need to change anything later, click the cell again, open the dropdown edit option, and update your list or settings. All changes will update automatically in your sheet. Thank you for watching the video.